Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your cameras using Guarding Vision and how to access all the different cameras on the network. So we're going to go to Guarding Vision. As you can see, you've got 4 different locations. If I select Mentor, I can double tap. I can bring up Mentor. I can double tap. The image becomes larger. I can scroll between videos. If you go to the bottom and I can hit the magnifying glass, I can now pinch and zoom in and zoom out and move the camera around where I want to zoom in and zoom out. Now remember, these are not motorized cameras. They are 6 megapixel, but they are not motorized, so it's a fixed lens. I can then go back, and let's say I want to see all of the cameras on the network. I simply select all 4. If I double tap the bottom right corner, I can see all 4 cameras locations are now loading. And again, I can double tap on an image and I can scroll through all of the cameras on the network. You'll notice in the bottom right corner, for example, this says Sugar M4, which stands for Sugar Shack Mentor Camera 4. This is New Mexico Camera 1. And we'll just keep going, and now we're in Tampa. So it helps you identify where we're at with these cameras on the network. This is Youngstown. I'm going to go back, and really that's all there is to it. You can just close the app from here.